Hi everybody, in the previous video we have seen choose the best answer. Next we move on to fill in the blanks. To produce a displacement, dash is required, force is required. Passengers lean forward when sudden brake is applied in a moving vehicle. This can be explained by dash. This can be explained by inertia in motion. By convention, the clockwise moments are taken as dash and the anti-clockwise moments are taken as dash. The clockwise moments are taken as negative and the anti-clockwise moment are taken as positive. Dash is used to change the speed of car. Usually we say acceleration சொல்லுவோம் நாம. Acceleration that will be change the speed of the car. In the question they will be give dash is used to change carல எது speed change பண்ண பயன்படுகிறதுன்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. அப்போ that is the gear. Gears is used to change the speed of car. Next, a man of mass 100 kg has a weight of dash at the surface of the earth. So they will be asked the mass of that person is 100 kg. What is the weight? The formula for weight is W is equal to M into G. Here the mass given is 100 kg into 9.8. So this answer is 980 Newton. Next we pass on to the true or false. If false, correct the statement. First one, the linear momentum of a system of particle is always conserved. That is, in the absence of an external force, the linear momentum of a system of particle is always conserved. Second, apparent weight of a person is always equal to his actual weight. The apparent weight is not always equal, so you have to write not always equal. The weight of a body is greater than at the equator and less at the polar region. The weight of a body is greater at the poles and lesser at the equator. Otherwise, you have to change the weight of a body is lesser than the equator and greater at the polar region. Fourth one, the turning a nut with a spanner having a short handle is so easy than one with a long handle. It is a false. Short handle. This one is a long handle. Is so easy than one with a short handle. For moment of a couple, force into distance. The distance increases, momentum is also increased. Fifth one, there is no gravity in the orbiting space station around the earth, so the astronauts feel weightlessness. It is also a false statement. There is a gravity. There is a gravity in the orbiting space station around the earth, so the astronauts feel weightlessness. Next, match the following. Newton's first law, the stable equilibrium of a body. Newton's second law is also called as law of force. And Newton's third law, flying nature of bird. Then last one, law of conservation of linear momentum. The two laws takes place for the law of propulsion of a rocket. Here law of conservation of linear momentum is matched.